All right, what's up, students? I'm going to teach you today how to throw a football successfully to your partner from a reasonable distance. All right, so you kind of have 3 steps to this process. You have the setup, you have the throw, and you have the follow through, okay? So for the setup, you have 2 elements to it. You have the body setup and your handling of like the football, basically. So for your body setup, you want to be facing towards your partner, of course, and you want your opposite foot with your, opposite to your dominant hand. So I'm right-handed throwing, so that means it's gonna be my left foot in front, all right? So right hand equals left foot. That's kind of how you can remember that, all right? And then for your handling of the football, you want your hand, dominant hand on the laces, other hand just kind of on the other side of the football. You wanna like point it toward your partner if that helps, all right? And then for the second step, you got the throw, okay? So you got the pull back and the release. So the pull back, you're gonna pull it back toward the kind of end of the football, toward the end of your ear kind of, all right? Just kind of right here. All right, and then just kind of remember elbow bent, end of ear, elbow bent. Just kind of keep those phrases in mind. All right, then you have the release, okay? Release, you're gonna bring it forward where you're pointing earlier, and think of it kind of like an acute angle, kind of turning into a straight line with your arm, okay? And then finally you have the follow through, which basically after you make the throw, you're gonna kind of keep your arm pointing towards your partner, kind of like reaching like the air basically with your arm, okay? So once again, 3 steps, setup, throw, follow through, okay? Opposite foot to your dominant hand, and your dominant hand is on the laces. All right, you're gonna pull it back, end of football on the end of the ear with your elbow bent. You're gonna do the release, you're gonna bring it forward, facing towards your partner, okay? And then you have the follow through, you're gonna keep your arm facing towards your partner like you're reaching the air, like I said, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Ready? All right. Now there's an easier way to do this. You can use a foam football, okay? A little easier, but still same steps, okay? Same way, same like things I said. Setup, throw, and follow through, okay? Same thing, opposite foot, hand on, to your dominant hand on the laces, pull back, same spot that I said, end of ear, elbow bent. You have to release, you can bring forward, point towards your partner, follow through, keep your arm facing towards your partner like that. Same thing, okay? Yeah, all right? Now, to make this harder, you're gonna use a regular football, but you're gonna have a moving target. It's still the same thing, same steps, but instead of throwing it like having your target be the person, it's going to be the space the person's going to be, right? Still opposite foot to your dominant hand, a hand on the laces, bring the football back, end of the ear with the end of the ball, all right? And then you're going to point, release it, point towards where your target's going to be, all right? And then follow through, and then with your body be pointing toward where your partner's going to be, okay? So one more time, same thing, opposite foot, hand on the laces, bring it back, release, bring it forward, point where your partner's going to be. All right, so I'm going to show you. That's all there is to it.